Come again to the Hockey Vlog channel. A bird with a large beak with a scary appearance. This is the Shoebill stork or Shoebill stork. Interesting. This bird is one of the ancient birds. Jurassic Park era. Who is still alive today? This bird lives in freshwater, swamp areas. Especially the habitat is in the tropical region, Central Africa, like Sudan, Ugandan Congo, Tanzania, and Zambia. While hunting, he is known as a very patient bird. It will stand while monitoring its prey. Patience is the strength of this Shoebill crane. After detecting prey, he will slowly approach him. And the fish apparently started to show itself. But his first attempt failed. So it requires extra focus. In this second experiment, he can catch a catfish. His aim perfectly. Finally, his patience was rewarded too. Somewhere else, a snakehead fish, trying to reveal itself to the surface. But it's really bad luck. Its presence was sniffed out by the Shoebill stork. With its high-level reconnaissance, finally, the Shoebill stork was able to lock his gaze to the snakehead fish, slowly approached and began to attack. Yes. Finally, the Shoebill stork got its favorite food. Please for. One morning, the Shoebill stork continues its hunt. This time he was standing on a swamp surface. And hope. There is prey he can eat. It doesn't take long. He managed to catch a large tilapia fish. This Shoebill stork is stalking its prey in a swamp bush. He seemed to see a sleeping fish, carefully observing the prey, and approached him. But apparently after he pecked his prey, what he got? Just a dry twig. With long legs, Shoebill stork can easily navigate the swamp and look for prey in it. This time, he saw a snakehead fish. Others are looking for air at the surface. As usual, Shoebill stork succeeded in carrying out reconnaissance, an act to catch the fish. Yeah, amazing. The hunt this time was also successful. Not only Shoebill storks, almost all Shoebill birds, really good at hunting fish, including this blue heron. But quite amazing. The abilities of this blue heron are very, very extreme, because it is able to devour large fish like this. This is the species of tilapia that we know has spines on the top and bottom ends. But the blue heron, without hesitation, he devoured the fish round and round. Sorry. Yes, just like this white stork. He was very patient, waiting for the fish that are jumping around in a fast current. Many times the bird failed, until finally he succeeded. Caught a very, very large fish. Pelicans has a bigger beak. From the Shoebill crane. With its big beak, certainly not a difficult thing for pelicans to hunt fish, because this bird is a water bird whose main food is fish. However, seeing how pelicans hunt fish is quite unique. Just look at this pelican. He deliberately put his big beak into the water. And the things that are expected to happen. The fish actually came towards his big beak. And of course, pelicans just need to close their mouths to eat these fish. Really smart. Yes, I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching until the end.